Hello crypto world, this is your host Crypto Puffy, and today we are going to have a second episode about a very interesting project called Profit Sniper, which is about to receive a fully automated crypto trading companion called CAT. As I promised you in my previous episode, today I'm going to teach you how to register for a Tradingview account, how to install the Profit Sniper indicators, how to read the signals and how to use them in order to manually exercise on paper trade until the CAT will be available for public. But before we proceed, don't forget to press both your like and subscribe buttons in case you are not yet a member of my channel. By subscribing, you will automatically be entitled to participate in any giveaway that I organize periodically for my subscribers. Also, don't forget to press the small bell, the notification button, so that you won't miss any of my future episodes uploaded just for you. And now, back to fun. What is Profit Sniper? First, Profit Sniper 2.0 is a hybrid momentum indicator available on Tradingview charting platform, used for identifying buying and selling opportunities in all markets, including Bitcoins, Altcoins, Forex, CFDs, Commodities, stocks, and more. In other words, it's the ultimate trading tool. But before how we will see how to install and use Profit Sniper, please be aware that if you register using my promo code CryptoPuffy and contact me via YouTube or Telegram, I will personally return you a 3% cash back on your total purchase. And now let's get ready to rumble. Let's go to Tradingview. So you go to tradingview.com and you register by clicking this join for free button. Here you insert a username, an email address, password, click both your buttons, prove you are not a robot, sign up, and then follow the instructions in your email. And now we have accessed Tradingview. Let's go and search for any chart that we like. You can go by ticker, you can write down ideas, you can find people, and so on. But let's go for tickers. So let's see, for example, we can find BTC. So here, for example, normally here you are going to see all exchanges, so it will look like this. And if you want to search for a certain asset or crypto, you just write down the ticker and then you choose from the list, and here you'll have also the list of exchanges. We are going to work, even though, as I said, the Profit Sniper works with any chart, we are going to work with BTC futures on Bybit exchange. So we are going to search for this specific exchange and specific chart. Okay, so we write down BTC, then we go to exchanges, we go to crypto exchanges, and we find Bybit, and we choose this specific chart. Perfect. Now that we have the chart selected, we go to full feature chart. And here we can start working. We have a full chart. I'm going to show you after how to connect a paper trading account. So here we have the BTC USD perpetual futures contract. We set here the duration of the candles to 5 minutes. Here we set candles, and normally what I will do, I will change the background to dark color because it's easier to follow, but this is my personal preference. Okay, this is a free account, so from time to time you will get advertising banners and then you can take them out. For the moment you can use the free account of Tradingview with Profit Sniper, but once you get the CAT bot, the CAT robot, the automatic trading robot, you will need to buy a paid version, which is around $15 per month. It's not very much. Okay, I will do the same, but when it will be required. Until that moment, we are going to use the free version. Now, what we do next? So first, you need to make sure that you have contacted the Profit Sniper team and they have sent you instructions, you paid, and they have activated the indicators. Once you get their answer that they have activated the indicators, you go to indicators, you go to invite only scripts, and here you are going to find 3 indicators. One is Profit Sniper, second is Profit Sniper visual scalper companion. And third one is the backtest profit sniper. If you go to each of them, you can add them to favorite by clicking on this star here. And then you are going to find them here. Next, when you want to add them, you just click this favorite icon and then you click on them one by one, so you can add all of them to the chart. Perfect. Let's take this down for the moment. Now let's take them one by one. So first we have the Profit Sniper 2.0. As you can see here, we have different indicators. Okay, so you will see here that you have pre-signals, which are called hunt and sight. Let me make this bigger so you understand better. Okay, so first, every time the algorithm identifies a new opportunity, it will start first hunting. Okay, then when it will see an opportunity, it will display this indicator, and then it will indicate you when to fire. For example, here it was first hunt, then sight, then fire. Okay, you can also go to settings and click this show fire flags only, and in this moment you will see only the fire buttons. Okay, let's take a look a little bit this chart. So you will see fire, fire, fire. When you have red color, that means it's a short. When you have a green color, is a long signal. Okay, those are the signals, for example, for the last almost 24 hours. So basically we had like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have around 11, 12 signals. I'm going to show you on the back test exactly how you can see exactly how many they are. You have to understand this is not, like a magic ball, like a crystal ball. Those are signals. Sometimes some of them they don't work. Okay, so let me show you some examples what I mean by that. That means the signal will finish with a stop loss. So here we can see very well. Okay, so this is a good signal, then this is a good signal, this is a good signal, this is a good signal, this is a good signal. So here we have another good signal, and now here we wait. Okay, there are no more signals for the moment. So the last 7-8 signals were very good signals, but we had also some stop loss. I can tell you from experience because I'm playing with it since almost 2 days, and basically this is what you do. Now let me show you a little bit how to set up this indicator. If you double click on the name here, you can play a little bit with the details, with the settings. First, normally accept the Bollinger squeeze value, that is 60, and it's better to be 20. Then all the rest of the settings should pretty much remain like this as per the developers' recommendations. So keep it like this. If you know what you do, you can start exploring, you can start playing with it, and so on. Here on the style, you can change the colors if you want. Now let me show you how the Profit Sniper backtest works. First, let's activate it, and here it will show us when it started and when it's closed. Okay, depending on the stop loss and take profit that you apply for any trade. Okay, remember this is a manual trade, so it's always necessary to work with a stop loss, and if you want to go away from the computer, put a take profit. Okay, if not, you can follow the trade and close it when you think is necessary. Okay, cool. Let me show you how to set up this backtest bot. So first you have everything like in the first one. Okay, then for leverage you put 10. You can play either with dollars or with percentage. Okay, for the trade settings, for the moment we put dollars because BTC is around 6,200. We can leave here $30 and $30 take profit and stop loss. That is around 0.5% take profit or stop loss, and because the leverage is 10, we are going to have a 5% stop loss or take profit for each trade. Okay, you can leave the trail enabled. Don't forget that this is only a back test. It's showing you what kind of returns and how many the numbers of trades and these kind of things, and how it will act if you apply a bot. Okay, but this is not the original trail lock that the company provides with the CAT, with the CAT robot. Apparently it's much better, the one they have. And here we can set the back test, how long we want to go in the back. Okay, so let's put it first for 1 month, 1st of March 2020 until today. Okay, we can leave this today, 2020 March, and here we put 28, and we are going to put this up a little bit. And here we have the strategy tester, okay, the back tester. And let's take a look at the settings first. As I said, we keep this for 1 month. As properties, we have the initial capital at $1,000, order size 1, pyramiding, commission will be 0.05 because we are going to have market commission when we start the trade, and limit or market condition when we close the trade. So if you take a look a little bit here at the profit, you know, potential profit, if we don't have any kind of commission, look at the profit. Wow, 73,770 in 1 month, okay? Which is not real because we have commission and we put a 0.5 average commission, and this will be a 2,000% profit. Don't forget that the back test is not exactly perfect, okay? So take in account that the developers calculated an average of 1.7 to 2% daily until in the initial phase of the testing, and lately they managed to get up to 10% daily. Okay, so compounding this over a period of 1 month is going to be interesting. Okay, so we have this, everything here on the style. You can play with the colors, but it doesn't really matter so much. Okay, and then here we have, so for the last month, okay, we have 355 total closed trades, 69% profitable, and 1.4 profit factor. Okay, we had maximum drawdown 34%. We have 5.96 average trade, and we have an average of 3 bars per trade. Okay, now let's take a look at the last day. So let's see, how can we see the last day? So today is 28, so we are going to see 27th. Okay, 27 to 27, and we have 1 day. Okay, so for 1 day we have 19 closed trade, we have 10.98%, as I said, we have 0.58% per trade, and 5.97 maximum drawdown. Cool. You can play with all this. You can play with all this on the backtest with all these settings. See which settings are better for you. So for example, if we increase the stop loss, what is going to happen? We are going to lose. So stop loss should be $30, not 40. Okay, and so on. You can play with all the settings. Okay, I just showed them to you, so now you know what you are dealing. Okay, so in case you are inexperienced or you are at the beginning, you want to trade, you want to play with it and so on, what can you do? I'm going to show you how to play in a virtual risk-free environment. So you go to trading panel, you'll have here start trading now. You can connect a paper trading, which is basically a virtual account. That virtual account, you are going to have it with $100,000. It doesn't matter because it's not real money, so you can play with it as you want. Okay, and now let me show you how to act the moment you want to play with it. Okay, how can you play with it? So first you identify a signal. Okay, in this moment we have no signal, but let's say that here we had a long signal. Okay, what do? We go and we press this here button, buy. We are going to have this window here, and because of the fact that the signal is going to say, okay, go now. You're not going to be able to place a limit order, so you need to go with a market order. If the signal, the fire signal will be green, you go with a buy order. If the fire signal will be red, you go with a sell order. Okay, very easy. So here the signal was green, we have a buy order. So let's put quantity. So for example, you want to trade with $1,000. This is 0.15 BTC, this is around $1,000. We are going to choose what we want to do. So we want to have 30 US dollars. So if we have here the price, it's 6097. And if you take out 30 US dollars, you are going to have a price of $129, something like this, okay? So more or less you add the take profit amount that you put there, that you want actually. So it's $30, that means $6,130, okay? And you have here, for stop loss, you do the same, and you said 6,096 minus 30, 6,066. If you want to make it fast, you just multiply your take profit with 2 and your stop loss with 2, and put here the pip value, and then your trade is ready. Okay, if you do it like this, then once you have the signal, if your signal is green, you press on buy, and then you go and you press buy, and in that moment the order is placed. You don't need to do anything else. Okay, if you want to benefit at maximum from your trades, what you can do, you can go and place the order without the take profit. You can prepare everything, okay? And you can go, if you want to be careful here, if you want to watch it, and if you want to supervise your trades, okay, instead of clicking take profit, you click only the stop loss, and then you go with the trade as much as possible. Okay, so you don't close the trade. Let me show you something. So if here, for example, okay, if here this would have been a call, here as you can see we don't have any kind of signal, so this one we lost it. But in a case like this, if we have a signal here and we have a take profit, if we have a short signal here and we have a take profit here of only $30, what do we do? Okay, if we have the take profit here set, the trade will close here and we lose this piece. But if we don't do that and we survive by ourselves, we can go with the trade up to here, and then when we see the price goes back, increase back, then we close the trade manually from here, as I showed you. Okay, so this is another solution, but the simplest one is when you select take profit and stop loss in both, so you have both of them set. Okay, don't be afraid to do anything. You cannot destroy anything, you cannot do any irreparable damage to anything. So play with the functions, play with whatever you want, play with the orders. You can play with all the icons here. You can put some things in the display and so on. There are many videos on YouTube regarding how can you use Tradingview. I'm not going to spend time on this, but I just wanted for you to see how to interpret it and to play with it. Okay, when you start trading, you can also go and close the back test, so you only see what you want to see and what you need. So let's go back to the Profit Sniper, and let me tell you a little bit about the KIT automation, a crypto algo trader. Coming in April 2020, the company will have the launch of their automatic trading bot, the crypto algo trader, that works via the encrypted messaging service Telegram. So no matter if you are a novice trader or a completely crypto newbie, or maybe if you don't want to miss any trade opportunity, even when you sleep, CAT will automate all the signal received from Profit Sniper and trade them for you on your own Bybit crypto exchange account. CAT robot has been developed for use with leverage exchanges, as I showed you before, like Bybit, to maximize the daily ROI. Okay, during tested, the company managed to average 1.7 to 2% daily, And in case you want to calculate the compounding results over a week, a month, or even a year, feel free to download this compound calculator and play with it. Okay, so we have this calculator here and you can download it and play with it. It will show you the numbers. It looks like this. Okay, so you have the principal that you start. You can play here, you can modify the average daily profit. So let's put 2%. And we reinvest 100%, then you have everything here. Okay, so the power of compounding interest is huge, as you can see. Also, you can do the same thing here back on the chart, and when you go to strategy tester, you have the backtest profit sniper, and you can, I showed you how to modify the date. So you can put here, I told you 1st of March, or you can put I don't know, something 1st of January. Okay, so let's see, 1st of January, and it will show you an estimated compound. But anyway, you can play with the calculator here on Excel to generate, you know, to make the calculations for the compounding interest. Okay, so now, for those of you that have decided to go ahead and purchase Profit Sniper, if you didn't do it up to this point, what you need to do is you need to press this button, get now. Then you need to go to tradingview.com and register for an account, as I showed you. Okay, then use that email address and introduce it here in this box and click the submit button. The team will get in contact with you, will send you instructions, and you can reply to those instructions with the code CryptoPuffy in order for them to know that you came through me. And if you do that, you can contact me afterwards via YouTube or Telegram, and I will personally return you a 3% cashback on your total purchase. Cool. So that was all for today, people. In our next episodes, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Bybit account, crypto exchange, how to deposit BTC, and how to trade manually real BTC until the cat robot will be available for public. Meanwhile, thanks for staying with me up to this point, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and press the small bell, the notification button, so you won't miss any of my future episodes on Profit Sniper. Have a nice evening. Bye bye.